From the Cedar main menu, you can access the Model Maker application, Cedar's dedicated solution for backend development. This powerful tool allows you to directly develop, edit, and manipulate your TM1 models. You can manage dimensions, cubes, views, processes, and all other TM1 objects. When you enter the Model Maker application, the first thing you'll notice is your list of TM1 servers. These represent all your connections. To connect to a server, simply click on the plus button to add a new connection. You'll need to provide the URL of the TM1 server you wish to connect to, ensuring it's configured to be reachable via this URL, and set up your HTTP port. For authentication, input a username and password. You can also name your TM1 server in a list for easy identification. If your authentication requires a namespace, you can provide that as well. Once added, the new connection will appear in your list. For example, in my list, there is a server named Knowledge Seed Academy. I will log into this TM1 server in my development environment. By connecting to a server, you establish a live connection with the TM1 model, enabling direct manipulation of cubes, writing and saving rules directly on that server. Cedar creates a direct link between the application and the server, allowing you to manage rules, create and modify processes, run MDX queries, and utilize admin functionalities like session viewer and server logs. You can also create and edit cube views and directly manipulate the dimensions of your TM1 server, all from within Cedar's Model Maker. This integration simplifies complex backend operations, making it easier to manage and optimize your data effectively.